Semitracks is a leader in training for the semiconductor industry. There are different methods of learning for students that fall loosely into three groups: visual, verbal, and kinesthetic. Kinesthetic learning, also known as hands-on learning or learning by doing, has always been the most challenging method for training, as it requires that tools and equipment be available to the learner. In semiconductor manufacturing, the tools and equipment are quite expensive. This equipment needs to be processing material in order to generate a return on investment for the company. This limits the ability to make equipment available for training. New virtual technologies, like virtual reality stages and goggles, have the potential to address this shortcoming. Semitracks is now developing content in virtual reality to enable users to train on equipment without the need to take the real equipment offline to do the training. This is an example of learning a procedure to clean a remote plasma source that is part of a chemical vapor deposition or CVD system. Not only can the user learn the procedure without the need to take the CVD system offline, but they can learn the procedure without having to worry about damaging the equipment, damaging wafers or wafer lots, or worrying about the potential hazards that accompany maintenance on a real CVD system, like leaks from toxic gases, explosion hazards from flammable gases, and shock from high-voltage electronics. If you're interested in developing virtual reality content to train your staff, contact us at Semitracks by email at info@semitracks.com or by phone at 1-505-858-0454. We are happy to discuss your needs and develop a training program with you.